lovely, gorgeous, beautiful friends. It's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. And I thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Please give this video a like and a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And of course, I am always happy to bring you guys another video. And so today I do have a haul for you guys. I went to the Healthy Planet and I have a few things which I think you guys will definitely love. So I'm trying to stay as healthy as I can, and by just eating healthy, using things that are good for my skin, wearing very little makeup. Like today I'm just wearing number 385. This is a Fenty Beauty powder foundation. And on the lips, I do have this ink crayon. This is from Maybelline. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys. And with that, I went in with this red lip liner from Becca. And Becca is no longer in business, but I loved this red lip liner. It's called Fun. And I gotta tell you something, when this is finished, I think I'm gonna be basically screwed, because I love this red lip liner so much. It goes with every single red lipstick that I have. Black eyeliner from Revolution, and this is a mascara from e.l.f. And speaking of mascara, I picked up this mascara from Essence, okay, this one here. And this is called I Love Extreme, which means, because when you see something like this on a package, you will grab it right away and think, oh my God, this is going to give me big volume lashes. This did not. So in any case, I contacted Essence and I sent them a DM and I thought, your product is basically rubbish. Anyway, so I have taken a picture of the product and I sent them a text, and they responded and they said, I am very sorry that you are not happy with our product. Nevertheless, I would like to thank you for your honest feedback. It enables us to develop our product in the best possible way. Please let me know if you have any further questions or comments, Bella. Okay, which I do appreciate the response, because if I have to go and spend $5 on a product, it better work. Because I think sometimes with mascaras in brands, they usually pick people with naturally long lashes anyways and advertise their products. This is just my opinion, because if this was extreme, do you think I would have sent that message? I wouldn't. Anywho, this is the one from e.l.f., which I think is not bad. It's called Lash It Loud. Yeah, Lash It Loud. It's not bad. That's what I'm wearing on my eyelashes today. It separates them a little bit. It just looks like I'm wearing mascara. It doesn't really do anything much to it. Oh, what the hell. Anywho, so I'm just going to share with you guys a few things I picked up from the Healthy Planet. And of course, I picked up this face mask. I've never used this one before, but face mask for me is a huge part of my skincare routine. And I don't use any heavy, thick clay mask or any mask or any peeling mask that's going to keep my face or leave my face feeling dry, because I know sometimes some of those black masks that you put on your face, when you take them off, your face feels dry and it really irritates the skin. So I stay away from those. I've already shared with you some of the masks that I use in previous videos. I can link the card for you guys if you wish. But this one is it's a collagen firming hydrogel mask with retinol. And for this one, you just have to make sure your face is cleansed and you put on your regular serums, whichever serums that you use that's working for you, and then you put this on top and you leave this on for about maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and then you don't wash it off, okay? You just massage the rest of the product onto your skin, and then you go in with your moisturizer. So this is the product right here. I am going to definitely come back and give you guys a feedback about that, because like I said, masking is a huge part of my skincare routine. This is from Pacificia, and this is the Dream Moon Patchouli and Pink Rose Hair and Body Spray. I have this on right now, and I gotta tell you something. This smells, oh my God. You spray a little bit of this in your hair. Oh my God, it smells beautiful. The scent reminds me of Sol de Janeiro, that cream and body spray from Sephora. But that one from Sephora is a little bit more strong. It's a lot more floral. This one is not so much. It's very, very light, but it smells wonderful. And of course, this is the packaging right here. So if you get a chance to go to the Healthy Planet, look for this product. They've got different scents, but when I tested the different scents that they have, this one really speaks to me. Again, this is a Dream Moon, Patchouli, and Pink Rose. It's very, very, very pretty. And so I picked up from Kalaya. This is the Pain Relief. And it's for back, neck, knees, whatever. So I had the gel, which was finished. And I got that from the shopping channel. But this is the spray. And I've used the spray before, which really works, but sometimes in the winter, when it's really, really cold, sometimes my joints will hurt. And at night before bed, you know, I would just spray this onto my knee, or I would spray this onto my knees, elbows, whatever the case may be, my neck, and just massage it in a little bit, and it gives you really, really great relief. And I thought I need to get this back into my life. And again, it's the Kalaya Pain Relief. It says back and neck, but you can use this on your knees as well, on any part of your body that you do have pain. And again, you don't have to be in extreme pain for this. This could just be for maintenance. Just keep this into your bathroom just in case you feel a little ache here and there. And this is pure castor oil. The one that I had before was completely finished. And I used castor oil on my body, and then I put my cream on top, and then I went back and that I can speak English today. This is a castor oil from the Healthy Planet. The one that I had previously was finished, so I always meant to buy another one, and I thought, let me get back to this because this is so good. I massage this on my tummy, my knees, my elbows. I put this in my hair, my natural hair. And it is a really good product. I mean, there's a big rage now about castor oil and putting this in your belly button and all of that stuff. I mean, I don't know about those things. I use this just like how my grandmother used to use this back in the days. Just massage this all over your body and be done with it. If it works in your belly button, congratulations. Okay? And so this is a candle. And they've had the big jar, but I thought, you know what, I am not going to buy the big one. I want to be able to get the small one first to see if I really like it. But it smells so wonderful. It says inner growth, healing, focus, transformation. I am not quite sure if a candle can do all of that, but we're just going to open this up right now. There we go. And it comes in a nice little jar. Oh my God. Oh, for God's sake. Now I understand what it means. Inner healing, growth, and transformation. It's a very tiny jar, but this is it right here. It smells. Oh my God. I did not know. Let me just close this for you guys and just show you the packaging, just in case you want to pick it up. Okay. This is the packaging right here, but I gotta tell you, it smells amazing. I can smell lavender in here as well. It smells beautiful. Oh my God, I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you. Anything for mind, body, and soul, calmness, and like inner peace, or whatever the case may be. Yes, I will take it because I am all about a peaceful and happy life. And next, I do have this product here from Geisha's Garden. This is a perfume. First of all, let me show you the packaging. This is the packaging right here, okay? And this is the cute little bottle. Look at that. Look at how awesome that is, okay? This looks like a lip balm, but this is a perfume. There it is, guys. I don't have my wand out here, but I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and you just massage this until the oils are released. Oh, Jesus, help me today. And then you put this anywhere you like. Oh, just give me a second. Give me a second. Incredible. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my Lord, this smells fantastic. What? I mean, look at the beautiful packaging, guys. I mean, look at that. This is a perfume, but it looks like a lip balm. It's in a gel form. But again, you just have to put a little bit on your hands. You can just massage this on your fingers as well. And when it dissolves into like an oil, you can just put this anywhere you like, all over your body. How amazing is that? It smells absolutely wonderful. And the last thing I picked up was this, these wafers. This is the Glutino gluten-free wafers. I've never tried these before. This is the packaging right here. And again, I'm all about the healthy stuff. And so let's just open up the package and we are going to see what this is all about. And we're just going to test out one of them today. Again, I'm all about the healthy stuff. And this is the packaging right here. So let me just taste it and see what the difference is with these wafers. Not bad. Very good. Very good. Oh my God. That aftertaste was just amazing. This is the packaging right here, guys. Okay. If you go to the Healthy Planet, pick these up. And 4 wafers is 160 calories, which is not bad. Yeah. Because I remember once I had gluten-free bread. I thought, yuck. I got rid of it. I'm thinking, I don't want that. So, because sometimes some gluten-free products taste really, really awful. But this is really good. No artificial colors or flavors. Really nice. Great for snacks, or sometimes when I'm on the train and I feel a little hungry, I just pop one of these into my mouth. Really, really, really nice. Anyhow, my loves, so this is the end of the video. We are going to leave it here for today. And everything we talk about, I'm going to leave in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up 1 or 2 things. Whatever we talk about today, guys, just get everything. You won't be sorry. This perfume is life. Try to imagine you're going to put this on right after a shower, and then you go in with your body spray. Oh my God. Delicious. Anyhow, my loves, again, this is the end of the video. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette. Come back again next week for another video. And I shall see you guys. Toodles.